Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing which phone to connect to on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you have multiple phones paired to your car's Bluetooth, it could be connecting to one that you don't want. Follow the steps to learn how to switch which phone your car is connecting to. Tap Phone to the left of the screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Tap Select Mobile Phone. The mobile that has a red line around it is the current connected mobile. Tap on the mobile that you would like to connect to. Tap Yes on the pop-up. That phone will now connect to the car. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.